Sometimes I will polish my sample to oblivion. It won't exist anymore, and then I have to redo everything. So like
Oh no.
you can't get too attached to anything in this lab really, because you don't know if the funding is going to get cut or you don't know if your powders are going to light on fire and you're going to have to redo it or you're going to grind away your sample. I have grinded away way too many regolith samples, unfortunately, because the lunar regolith and the lithium hydride is very tricky to grind and polish. We actually can't use the auto polisher. We have to manually polish it with something that we
Really?
3D printed because the lithium hydride actually reacts really crazy with water. Don't take research seriously and you'll be happy.
Yeah.
I'm like, not kidding.
I mean, I hear you. How do you keep that distance? Like, how do you not get too attached? I know, like, if I spend a lot of time at something and it doesn't work out, I get really, yeah, I'm bad because I'll get really upset. Like, I spent all that time on it and, like, it didn't work.
I don't really know how I do it because sometimes something will take a long time. Like, say you want to do like a super long anneal, you want to put something in a furnace for a super long amount of time, and you expect to have some kind of a certain kind of result, and then you put it in the microscope and you don't see that result, and it is very frustrating. But what I like to do is I always think that there's like a reason for everything. Like there's a reason I messed up this experiment. What can I learn from this experiment that I messed up? Really. And by framing it that way is how I really stay being able to engage with my work in an enjoyable way because I realize that, well, it's important that I failed this way too. Because in engineering, a big quote that everybody says is fail hard and fail fast. So
Right.
sometimes we can't fail fast, but we do fail hard. And you just have to take everything that you can and learn everything that you can from that in order to more efficiently move forward. You can just say, what did I learn from it? And how is that going to help me? I'm always like, well, I failed so hard at this thing for a reason, and it was so I can learn this one specific skill or knowledge gap that I have. So it's all about reframing your mind. But of course, sometimes it is hard to think like that. Sometimes I do get frustrated and I have to take the night off